We're holding with a 70-point gain for the Dow Industrials, holding in record territory, by the way. 26,700 is where we are. Our next guest predicted that the Dow would hit 30,000. But since he made that prediction, he's turned cautious. Dennis Gartman made that prediction. I don't know why he's smiling. Did you miss the rally? Because you said 30,000, here we come. Then you said, oh, I'm kind of cautious. Did you miss it?
Yeah, I missed it. It's gone a good deal farther than I ever dreamt that we'd go. When I said 30,000, it was from a technical perspective, looking at the charts basically. But we've still had a strong economy. I like American stocks relative to anybody else's country. I want to continue to buy here and sell over in Europe. I want to continue to buy here and sell over in Japan. I want to continue to buy here and sell China. But do I want to load the boat here? No, not really. I'm too old to load the boat, Stuart.
First rule of financial television, don't admit to a mistake. You just broke that rule right in two, you really did. But look, Dennis...
You have to admit mistakes.
Well, you're a good man for doing it, and you're welcome on this program. We like that kind of thing. You don't like video game stocks, and you said that you would never buy them. Explain that, please.
No. I will never buy video game stocks, and I will never buy cannabis stocks. I think they are examples of the deterioration of society. I just don't think that there's anything incumbent in them. Yes, they'll probably make money. I wish anybody who trades them well. I hope everybody makes a bunch of money doing it. But give me steel, give me the makers of ships and railroads, give me railroads themselves, give me the makers of ball bearings. As you've heard me say on this show before, and I'll say it again, I want to own the things that if I drop them on my foot, that they'll hurt. The real stuff of economic growth. And I just don't see economic growth coming out of cannabis and coming out of games.
Wait a second. You say that games, video games, are ruining our society. You just broke the second rule of financial television. You're investing on the basis of morality. What are you thinking?
Well, I think that's the right thing to do. This is America. I get to make my decisions on my own. I get to, I don't force them upon anybody else. And as I said, Stuart, I wish anybody who wants to invest in cannabis and wants to invest in games, I wish them well. I hope they make a lot of money. I just prefer not to do it. I hope that nobody forces me to do it. I hope they all go up, and if they do, they'll do it without me. So be it. Okay. I'd rather own ball bearings. I'd rather own the stuff of general economic growth.
Would you buy a tobacco stock?
No, I won't. I won't buy tobacco. And this is from somebody who used to be a 3.5-pack cigarette smoker back in college, but thank goodness I gave that up almost 40 years ago. Again, I wish somebody who does it, I wish them well. I hope it works.
Okay. Would you
tobacco
buy...
stocks have been wonderful investments.
Like a liquor company, I mean, Constellation Brands, they sell alcohol. Would you buy that?
Well, I do drink martinis, so I guess I have to break my rule and say, yeah, I'll own those things. But and I guess there's an inconsistency there. But so be it. I can be inconsistent and still have fun at this.
Okay, with not buying video games, not buying cannabis, not buying technology, I presume you've got a model portfolio. How have you done?
I've done okay. I had one bad day earlier this year that hurt me, but owning the basic things of the market and owning high dividend payers has served me very well over the course of the last several years. I'm comfortable doing it. Have other people done better than I have? Have people who have owned tech only and have margined up to the hilt done well? God bless them. They've done great. That's just not my style.
And by the way, I bought Blackstone and I bought AT&T because they yield me 6%. I went after the yield.
Hard to beat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not bad, is it? I mean, it's a cushion in case you've got a real shocking downturn in Microsoft, for example, which you missed as well. All right, Dennis, that's the third rule of investing. You just broke that one, too. You forgot about Microsoft, man. Come back and see us soon, please, Dennis. We'd love to have you on the show. Thank you, sir.